Hey guys, this is Carson Miller Tech here, back with another video. This video is going to be shorter than most because Hobby Inc. RC sent me out some propellers for my Mavic Pro Platinum, and these are made for the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Pro Platinum, and the Mavic Pro Alpine, I think is what it's called. But these sadly will not work on the Mavic Air, so if you have that, not sure they're going to be working. But they probably make them for the Mavic Air, but I'm not sure. Anyways, with that being said, these are special propellers, and as you can see on the back of the box, they are LED propellers for on your Mavic Pro. So I am not going to spend too much time on unboxing this because not too much to say about them. Opening it up, I got 4 propellers, obviously. Then I can put it on all the motors, but inside of it comes with all 4 of them. They look like these. They look pretty similar in this sense to a typical DJI propeller. However, if you turn it sideways and you look at it this way, look how thick that battery is. There are micro USBs on these propellers. That means that these ones on like previous models will be able to charge. So they're rechargeable. You don't have to worry about tiny little batteries. And so, yeah, I'll show you all 4. Here are all 4 of the propellers. To turn it on, there's just a little switch on the side here. Flip that on. There we go. That's what the propellers look like turned on. Also, I just want to mention now that these actually fold up. I know there's some other propellers out there on the market that have these LEDs on them, but they don't fold up. So these are convenient because you can actually fold these up like a typical propeller. So when you put them onto your drone, you're likely not to notice too much of a difference between the regular and these ones. These claim to be low noise propellers, so that's like what mine have here. So I'm gonna be testing that out. I'm gonna do a comparison between the regular low noise propellers that I have, the original ones from DJI, and these ones. But before that, let's just put these on the drone really quick. You probably know how to do this already, but whatever. Let's put them on. There you go. Now these are turned on and placed onto the drone. So let's go and take off, and then I'm also going to do that comparison that I was talking about to see what the noise difference is. And before actually taking off, I want to mention that I'm filming this in my room, and it's still daylight outside, but it's like overcast because of rain and stuff. And I just don't want people going and being like, you're not supposed to fly in the dark, blah, blah, blah. Look, I'll turn around the camera for you. Will this make you happy? Look. See, it's still daylight outside, so chillax. With that being said, here is the ambient noise in the room right now that I will be comparing later for the actual props. So here's this. So I'd say the average is about 40.5, 41-ish. Keep that in mind for later when I actually take off. But now, let's just turn off this light and take off. So there you go. There are the LED props. I thought they actually looked really awesome. And so, I mean, I personally would buy them if I saw them in person because they, I think, are probably worth the money because they just look really awesome and they add a cool effect to your drone. But with that being said, to my own ears, I thought that the propellers sounded pretty regular, so I'm not sure there's going to be much difference at all with the regular propellers, but I'm just going to take off once really quickly to get to the measurement with those. So here is the measurement with the regular DJI propellers. Alright, there you go. There was the quick little flying of these propellers, and the numbers don't lie. Sadly enough, these LED propellers are slightly louder than the typical DJI manufactured propellers. Again, it's about by 2, so it's not that much, and to the human ear, when compared, I really didn't hear that much of a difference, honestly. So I'm not sure it's going to be that big of a deal. Flight performance, though, with these on, I didn't notice anything huge when flying in GPS. However, when you're flying manually without GPS or without the obstacle avoidance on, the flying performance is a little strange. It's a little bit more difficult to fly around with these propellers on compared to just the regular ones. But if you're flying in GPS all the time, you should be fine, and I didn't notice any huge changes with that. So overall, I was pretty happy with these. There's not really anything bad to say about them. A couple more things I just want to point out. I read through these short little directions here. It claims that these last for 300 minutes, which is about 12 25-minute regular flights. So you shouldn't have to worry about these running out while in flight. And the directions also say that the recharging time is about 3 hours, so that's like 180 minutes. So overall, it's not that terrible, and if you're just charging these up while you're also charging your remote controller and your drone battery, you shouldn't have to deal with any strange battery issues. One more thing also, you can buy a set of 2 of these, and the directions claim that it works fine. So if I wanted to have just like these front 2 here, and just regular DJI propellers in the back, that works as well. So if you don't want to spend as much money on a set of 4 of these, then you should be fine. But with that being said, that is pretty much it for this video. If you'd like to purchase these yourself, I'll be leaving the link down in the description below. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you'd like to see future videos from me, consider clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to check out my last video, that should be up there, and some random video should be down there. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.